first video, I guess. And today I'm just going to be talking about why people and adults think like you're too young to understand this, but then you're too old to do this. I don't get it. Why? Is it because you think we're still too young to understand the complications of family problems? Or is it that you think we're not mature enough? But then when it comes to other specifications, it's like we're too old for this. Like something childish, I don't know, playing with dolls. Or certain games. We're too old for those things to some adults. But then at the same time, we're too young for some things. Why can't there be an in-between? I don't get it. When you want us to talk and we don't feel like talking, there's something wrong with us. Why? But then when we do want to comment on something, when it's supposedly called grown-up talk, we're shushed and told to go somewhere else and let the grown-ups talk. How does that really make sense? I don't really get it. Why does it have to be that way? Why can't there be an in-between? Why can't there be a compromise? Either way, later in life, we're gonna learn these things, whether you want us to or not. It's gonna happen eventually. So why not now? I mean, I get it if they're still way too young in general, but if you're already understanding these types of family problems like divorce or toxic relationships and etc., then if you already understand it, explain it to them. Tell them you understand, but you still don't understand in some way what they're going through because they're not explaining it to you. You want to help, don't you? I know some people want to help, because I myself, my own family is legitimately going through tough times right now, especially my grandma. And I'm honestly rooting for her. I really am. And I hope she makes the change that she wants. I don't know. If she ends up living with me and my family, I'm willing to give her my room. I'm the oldest child in my house. That is what I am. Because I have 2 younger sisters. But because I love my grandmother, I am willing to give up my space. And I know a lot of other people would too. But I want to help, But how am I supposed to do that if I'm being shushed or I'm being told to go somewhere else? How am I supposed to help? I can't. So, what do you think? Shouldn't there just be an in-between? Shouldn't the people that are already understanding and wanting to learn about this, because they're going to learn about it later on in the future, be able to collaborate on this? Be able to comment in this? Or should they just be shunned and told to go somewhere else and let the grown-ups talk? Because I know I don't want that, because I understand a lot of things, honestly. And most of the time I think, yeah, I can help with this, sure. But then in other times, I'm just I don't really understand this, so I don't think I'll get involved. But that's the thing. When you don't want to get involved because you don't understand, sometimes that's when they want you to get involved. But instead of telling them that you don't understand it and that you don't want to be involved in it, you just go along with it. Why? Is it because you want to please them? why should you please them? Like, if you don't understand, tell them you don't understand. That's all that's to it. Just tell them you don't understand. And that'll be that. After you tell them you don't understand, I'm pretty sure they won't bother you in that subject. Or they'll either explain it to you so that you will understand. And that way you can help out more. Another thing is, when you don't feel like talking, I don't know, just to adults in general, I'm not saying this is all adults, but some adults will be like, is there something wrong? Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Like, just because I don't want to talk does not mean there's something wrong. It just means I don't want to talk. Or sometimes there is something wrong. Who knows? But sometimes, for me, in my case, it's usually just because I just don't feel like talking. It's not like everyone feels the same way, and I'm not saying everyone does. Everyone can have their own opinions. Like, just in my example, when I don't talk, it's because I don't want to talk. It's because I just want to be left alone for a bit. But when I'm doing that, and I'm in my own little bubble, in my own little world, to adults, it's like there's something wrong. There's nothing wrong, honestly. Yeah. And to some other people, honestly, there is something wrong, yeah. And it's nice to check up on them, but always thinking there's something wrong, I don't think you should always think like that, because there's not always something wrong. But then the thing is, when we do want to talk, sometimes, like in my case, it feels like, I don't know, you're just not listening. Even though you say you're listening, it just seems like you're not. And it happens in a lot of other people's cases too. Like, honestly, I don't really know how to explain it, but it just happens, you know? Like, if you start talking to your mom or your dad and they're doing something and it feels like they're not listening, even though they say they're listening, how would that make them feel if you did that to them? Do you think they'd feel the same way as you? Well, if you do think that, then tell them. Honestly, that's what I did with my parents. I told them, I just feel like you're not listening to me, that's why I just don't talk to you. After that, kind of just solved everything, and they try to listen more than they used to. And it really does help, because it feels like they're listening now. But sometimes it happens, but then I remind them most of the time. And it's nice. So, if you're in the same situation, I think you should do the same thing, honestly. It's not really hard. And honestly, brings more light to my day, I guess I should say. Makes my day better. And if you don't want to talk because you have little siblings or family around, and you want to talk to one specific person, go on a walk, go on a car ride or something. Go to a private area, talk to them on the phone. I don't know how your situation is, but you just need someone to talk to. Ask them to talk. Ask them to go somewhere private if you want alone time to talk about anything, honestly. I think they will listen. Just ask for alone time, and I'm pretty sure you'll get that time and you can talk. Talk as long as you want. That's what I do. But not everyone's the same case. So, yeah. But back to the original topic. I think there should be an in-between between being too young and too old. What do you think? Come back for whenever my next video is posted, I guess. Honestly, I think it's just gonna be a surprise when they're posted, because I don't really have a set date yet, so yeah. Just say posted. Alright, bye.